my name is Wei. Today I want to be talking about what is at the port. Well, do you have any friends or family members that appears at the port? Did you ever visit the port? If you have, then you probably know this topic a lot. But if you haven't, then we're going to be discovering what is at the airport with me, okay? Okay, so first, you probably see a passenger terminal. It is a part of a small building that's used for employees in to work and to sell tickets for those passengers to ride, to sit on that ship. Yeah, so next we have is a way. A way is a part that it's just kind of like a way to walk. We walk down onto the boat or onto the ships. Yeah, that is way. Next is boat. Boat is a small kind of transportations that transport in waters. So, this here is a boat. Okay? Next we have is a ship. A ship is a lot more bigger than a boat, and it's used for more things. Some ships will use to carry goods. Some ships would use to carry oils, and some will use to carry people. Yeah, ship is a really big kind of transportation, so it can put in a lot of things. Yeah. So let's look at what is and see on a ship. First, we have is a funnel. Next is a cargo. Cargo is kind of boxes that we use to put in different kinds of goods. Next is container. We use those containers to put in things that is harder. Yeah, a container is a kind of stronger kind of container than a cargo. Next is a warehouse. Next is mast and crane, crate, anchor, bow, pause, and stern. Let's look at what is at the port too. We have a port office. It is an office that is just used for people that work at the port. Yeah, it is especially used for people that work at the port. Yeah, kind of like the employees that works here or the owner of that port. Yeah, that is the port office. Next is custom house. They're usually the houses that people would rent so that they can stay in for 1 to 2 days if they want to wait for somebody or want to put something that won't happen really fast. Yeah, custom houses just come like a hotel. Yeah, but it's properly and usually being used by the employees that works here. Next is lighthouse. I bet all of you know what is a lighthouse. I think so. A lighthouse is a house that looks really tall and it has 1 to 2 persons who works here. When it is in the dark, those lighthouse will turn on the light and the light will always move in that direction, in this directions. Then, so it moves like that. So if there's any ships moving around in the dark, they can't see the way to ride. They can look at the light from the lighthouse to ride. Okay. Next is storage tank. We use to put in a storage. It is a special kind of tank. Okay. Next is tank farms. Next is jetty. A jetty is different than the boats and the ships. They're 100% different. Next is forklift. We use this forklift to hold arms those objects around, those containers around. Okay? Next is a stevedore. A stevedore is a person who would move those different goods from land on those transportation like ships, boats. Yeah. Next is dock worker. They're the person that works at the port. They have a job to take care of the port, to tell the drivers at the port what should they drive to, what should they go. Yeah, that is a dock worker. And the last word here is a container terminal. It is a place where people put in all the things that they need to move. Yeah, they are put in there. So if the ship that used to move these haven't arrived, they will put those goods inside this container terminal. When those ships have arrived, people would put those goods on. Yes, the container terminal is also a really important part, right? Yes, you see, a port is a really fun place and also some of a dangerous place. So if you have a chance to go and visit the port, please remember, always safety first. Maybe it's pretty fun to watch those people putting the goods on ships. You want to run to there to look clearer. You want to sit near the deck. Yeah, so remember doing those in a slowly way. Be careful about that because it is really near water. If you don't know how to swim or if you don't wear on a protector, a clothes protector, then it won't help you and you sometimes be turned up. You'll be sink. Yeah, so be careful about that. So always remember safety first. And share for me if you ever visit a port. And do you think that you will have a chance to visit a port one day? I think so. So, see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.